Good evening time, folks. 018 here. We got a donkey stomper belongs to a friend of mine. It is a 1000V-HG-2x8. Had a little mishap. Dropped the peel on the side beam. We got it all fixed up for him. I'll do a little test review, showing it's working. Alright, radio drive right now. Turn it on key. We'll look straight through first. Straight through SWR. It's always good to just check that and make sure nothing went wrong. Worldwide. Get up. Input SWR worldwide. It didn't change. Output reflex. 5 volt reverse. Worldwide. Get on down. Get on down. Get on down. 1000 slug. Average power. Donkey stomper. Donkey stomper. Worldwide. 2500 watt slug. Worldwide. Let me turn it on peak. Worldwide. 1700. I want to show you something. I've had a few customers say, well, I've blown my donkey stomper and it's on sideband. When you run this thing on sideband, just go ahead and turn this all the way down. And let me show you why. Check this out. On sideband, on AM, 1000 watt slug average. Worldwide, variable wide open. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna flip the radio to sideband and nothing else. Watch what happens. Worldwide, whoa! Look here. 2500 watt slug on sideband average. Worldwide. You see what I'm saying? That's why they're easier to blow on sideband, because they put up so doggone much. They're driving harder. Turn the variable all the way down sideband. Worldwide. It's close to what it is on AM. It'll be okay right there. So like I said, when you run these things on sideband, turn that variable in front of it all the way down to 0. But people, so I was on sideband and I blow the peel. Well, that's why, because it drives the peel all right over me. But I just want to make that video and show that. That way maybe somebody see it and stop them from blowing their amp too. 2500 watt slug, AM, PEP, one more time. Worldwide, donkey stomper, worldwide, get on down, cheeseburger, get on down, cheeseburger. There you go, folks. We got her all fixed up. Thank you for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Your friend 10-0. Catch you later.